The Spiderweb Granny Square is perfect for spooky season. This pattern is for advanced beginners to intermediate crocheters. For materials, you can use any type of 4-weight yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, your yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. We start by taking our yarn and making a magic circle. Chain 1, then make 8 single crochets into your magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the yarn end on the magic circle to close it really tight. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet. For the next round, you start with a chain of 1, and then we're going to make a stack single crochet. So make a single crochet into the first stitch, then make another single crochet over that single crochet, which counts as a double crochet. Then chain 2 and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 2 again and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat around. At the end of the row, make your last chain 2 and slip stitch at the top of your stack single crochet. For the next row, we're going to start again with a chain of 1 and another stack single crochet. So single crochet on top of the previous stack single crochet, then make another single crochet on top of that, which counts as your first double crochet. Then make a chain of 4 and then make a double crochet at the top of the other double crochet from the previous row. So we're going to be working in the stitches, not in between the chains. So make a chain of 4, then make a double crochet at the top of the other double crochet from the previous row. And that's the pattern. Chain 4 and double crochet at the top of the other double crochet from the previous row. Working only in the double crochets from the previous row and not into the chain spaces. And at the end of the row, make your last chain 4 and slip stitch at the top of the stack single crochet. And for the next row, just as before, you start with a chain of 1 and make a stack single crochet in the first stitch. This time you make a chain of 6 and single crochet in the next double crochet stitch. So it's chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and double crochet in the next double crochet stitch for the rest of the row. And at the end of the row again, finish with your chain 6, then slip stitch at the top of your stack single crochet. And that's all the rows of the spider web that we're going to make. So this is your spider web here. For the next row, we're going to make it into the granny square shape. So to make the granny square, start with a chain of 1, then into the first stitch you're going to make a single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make a single crochet into that same stitch. And now we will be working into the chain spaces. We're gonna make 6 single crochets into that chain space. 2, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, 5 single crochets, 6 single crochets. Then we're gonna skip the next stitch from the double crochet from the previous row. Then we're gonna go on and keep working in our chain spaces, and we're gonna place 6 single crochets into our chain spaces. 4 single crochets, 5 single crochets, 6 single crochets. And this is the granny square being formed. The first thing we did with the single crochet and the chain 3 and the single crochet is our corner, and the 6 single crochet and then another 6 single crochet was the sides of the granny square. Now to continue, we'll make another corner with a single crochet in the next stitch, a chain 3 and a single crochet into that same stitch, and that's the corner of the granny square that we made. So we have 2 corners. Then to make another side, we do another single crochet 6 in the chain spaces, 2, 3, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet. Skip the next stitch and make another 6 single crochets in the next stitch. 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, which is the sides of the granny square. So the pattern is 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch to form the corner, then a single crochet 6 in the next chain spaces to make the sides. And at the end, you will just slip stitch into that first single crochet stitch, then chain 1 and fasten off your work to finish off your granny square. And that's it. That's the end of the granny square. That's how you make that granny square. The very last thing for you to do now is to weave in both of your ends. And that's it. That's how you make your Spiderweb Granny Square. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial very much. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this Spiderweb Granny Square with me. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments. I love to see how you use this square in your Halloween projects. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, happy crocheting!